Welcome back, family. It's your boy Buddha. So look, right, Lil Zay Osama, he done got arrested in New York. They say he left a machine gun in the car. We got the video. I'm getting arrested, and he finally responded to the accusations about him leaving the gun in the car and all that. So I'm gonna let y'all hear him getting arrested, and then we gonna read this response.
What's happening?
Just put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back. We're gonna short it all up. We're gonna short it all up. What is going on? We're gonna short it all up. I'm the manager. He's being detained right now, so back up. I'm just.
Do you get him on phone though?
Yeah, you got anything on you?
I'm on live, sir. Cut that off. What's happening?
I just got a call. Hold on.
What's happening?
What's going on? Oh, I do the south. What do you think?
What's happening?
Just put your hands behind your
Put your hands
back.
behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. We're gonna short it all up. We're gonna short it all up. What is going on? We're gonna short it all up. I'm the manager. He's being detained right now, so back up. I'm just.
Do you get him on phone though?
Yeah, you got anything on you?
I'm on live, sir. Cut that off. What's happening?
All right, now let's hear his response. Lil Zay Osama said, I love all my friends and family and my girl Janelle and my mom, dad, and my kids. Don't believe the rumors, for real. I got more blogs posted in negative, but not my album, Trench Baby 3. I got more calls than ever since. Shake my head. See y'all soon. Yep. Y'all get in the comment box, man. Let me know what y'all think. Zay Osama say he'll be out soon. Say he'll see y'all soon. He say they talking about all the negative stuff, but ain't nobody posting this album. So make sure y'all go get that Trench Baby 3. Sure. Said he'll be out soon, man. I don't know if he was the only one in the Uber by himself, but he had other people in the Uber with him. But say, hey, like he say he coming home soon, so you see how it play out. Y'all get in the comment section, let me know what y'all think, man. Boy Buddha, I'm out.